Welcome to the introduction for our course EDU 573. This will be an introduction to communication and public relations. Being an effective administrator comes down to communicating, connecting, and influencing. And it's very, very important to communicate well, to connect well, and to influence those with whom you're attempting to communicate with. So communication can be very tricky, and a lot of it has to do with your approach. As you can see in this picture, these two individuals are communicating, but it looks to me as if a principal and a parent are having a heated conversation. So communication is taking place, but it's not the kind of communication that we are aspiring for. So it's very, very important to make sure that we have positive communication. And positive, warm, genuine, caring communication leads to a connection. In this picture, you can see that the setting and the situation is far different. There is a connection taking place. There's a smile. There's a sense of warmth. There's a sense of listening, which is very, very important. And these aspects are critical to making a connection with your audience, regardless of who it is. And then lastly, and most importantly, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. In order to make an influence upon another person, in order to lead them, you need to connect with them, you need to listen to them, you need to communicate with them, but most importantly, you need to care. So how you do that as a leader makes all the difference in how we positively communicate and relate with those around us in our field as educational administrators.